what do you do after applying for GST registration? Well, you have to continuously check the status of your GST registration application to obtain the registration certificate smoothly. Did you know that you can easily check your GST registration application status either before or after logging into the GST portal? Yes, it's true. If you do not know about this, don't worry. Keep watching this video until the end to know how you can track GST registration application status. Hi everyone, I'm Annapurna from Clear, where we offer products to manage GST compliance for more than 3,000 large enterprises and more than 4 lakh growing businesses. We create videos on tackling GST compliance for businesses and enterprises, so please subscribe to our channel to keep yourself up to date about the latest GST changes. Now let's see how you can check the status of GST registration application. First of all, let's learn how to check the GST registration status without logging into the GST portal, shall we? The first step is that you have to visit GST portal and then click on Services tab. Then click on Track Application Status option. Next, you have to select the registration option from the drop-down. Third step is to enter the ARN or SRN received on your email ID while submitting the GST registration application. Then enter the CAPTCHA code and click on Search button. Please note that the Service Request Number or SRN is generated when GST registration application is filed on the MCA portal along with the company or LLP registration. The detailed status screen shows the detailed history of new registration application. Also, all the different stages are colored according to the application's current status. For example, if your current status is stage 3, it will be green until you reach the stage 3, after which it will be grayed out. The ARN will have one of these statuses: pending for processing, when your new registration application is successfully submitted and is awaiting processing by the tax officer; site verification assigned, when your registration application is marked for the site visit and verification; site verification completed, when the verification officer submits the site verification report to the tax officer; pending for clarification, when a tax officer issues notice to you requesting clarification; clarification filed, pending for order, when you have filed clarification and the officer is awaiting their decision; clarification not filed, pending for order, when you haven't filed any clarification within a specific period of days and the order is pending, this status appears; approved, once your new registration application is accepted, the user ID and password will be emailed to you; rejected, when a tax officer rejects a new registration application. So you have to check the status of your GST registration application online and take suitable action based on the status of ARN. Suppose your application is approved. You can download the GST registration certificate by clicking on the hyperlinked ARN or application reference number. I hope now you got an idea on how to check the GST registration application status on the GST portal. If yes, please write clear in the comment section of this video. Also, if not, then please ask your doubts in the comment section so that we can answer them for you. Let's learn how to check the GST registration application status after logging into the GST portal, shall we? Did you know that you can track the application status such as a new GST registration, then the core amendment, cancellation, etc. after logging into the GST portal? This can be done using the ARN or submission period. However, the feature is not available for the first-time GST registration applicants. Now, let's proceed further. The first step is to log in to the GST portal and then click on Services. Then click on Track Application Status option. The next step is to select the registration option from the drop-down. Next, you can choose ARN, SRN or the submission period. Enter the required data or select the dates and click on the Search button. You can download the acknowledgement by clicking on the hyperlinked download text. So after watching all these steps, you might be feeling that obtaining a GST registration is a tedious task. Don't worry, we've got you covered with ClearTax's GST registration service. Once you opt for the GST registration service, we'll assign a dedicated manager to process your GST registration application so that you can sit back and relax. Click on the link provided in the description of this video to smoothen your GST registration process. If you have any doubts about this topic, then please mention them in the comment section of this video so that we can clear your doubts. Do subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos and stay tuned for further GST updates. Thank you.